In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to move your Raydium from your exchange to your Ledger Cold wallet and then back to the exchange. Here's what the steps look like. We're going to skip the buying selling part since I'm assuming you already know how that works. But if you don't, no worries, you can check out the buy and sell video at any time. The main focus here are the transfers. In this example, I'll be using a Ledger Nano S Plus, but the steps are pretty much the same for the Nano S, Nano X, and other Ledger Cold wallets. I'll be using Kraken as the exchange since it's one of the most popular centralized exchanges in North America. Now, that said, the exchange you use doesn't really matter. The process is basically the same for all of them. What does matter is making sure that you have the correct wallet address and correct network, because sending crypto to the wrong address could mean losing it forever. So the example we have here is the Raydium token that's running on the Solana network in Kraken. And we want to transfer it to the Ledger Live, so we have to ensure that we're using the same network. There are 3 security requirements that you must follow before doing the transfers. Number 1, make sure your operating system is up to date. And if you can't update it because your hardware is too old, maybe it's time to upgrade the hardware. Number 2, update all software. In this case, specifically, we're going to be using Chrome to connect to the exchange, the Ledger Live software to connect to your ledger. And if you have an antivirus, make sure your virus definitions are up to date. And last but not least, ensure that your Ledger firmware is also running at the latest version. Okay, let's start. So first thing you want to do is open up both Kraken and Ledger Live. So in this case, I'm going to go to Ledger Live right away and look for Raydium, the famous Raydium in the example. So here it's saying that it's running on the ERC token. And it's a bit confusing because when I go to Kraken and click withdraw, if I type Raydium, it tells me that it's running on the Solana network. So that's a network mismatch. So what I have to do is, instead of going in the app catalog to look for Raydium, I have to click on accounts and go to Solana and then click on add token and see if it's supported in the list. So I'll type Raydium. And yes, so as you can see, it says Raydium Ray Solana. So this is the right one. I'll just click on it, click continue. And I have to open the app on the Ledger device, copy this address. So I'm just gonna delete this old address that I'm no longer using and then add the new one. And I'm gonna call this Ledger Raydium Solana. Oops. Solana. Add. I have to confirm it by email. This here. Confirm. It was approved. Good. So I'm gonna press on the purple amount to send everything. Click review, confirm, et voila. So on this side, I'm just gonna click approve because the address is good. And I'm just gonna quit to go back to the main menu on the Ledger and click done here. Okay, so as you can see, the Raydium tokens have successfully arrived to the Ledger wallet. And now it's time to send them back to the exchange. So we can click on deposit in the exchange, Kraken, and then look for Raydium, select it, copy the address, and it's saying network is Solana, which is the network that we're on. So the coin or the token and the network match. So I'm going to click on Raydium, click send, paste the address here. It's asking for an optional tag or memo. There isn't any, so I'm going to skip it. I'm going to press on don't add. I want to send the maximum amount. And if you notice, it's using Solana for network fees. So it's important when you're transferring tokens to keep some of the parent coins in Ledger until you're done transferring everything out. Gonna press on continue, continue again. And then on the Ledger device, I'm gonna press both buttons to open up the app and then validate the transaction. So now it's showing me all the details. I'm pressing on the right button. Actually, let's confirm the address. So here it says 2, token amount, account, 56Z. It's not this one. It's the token, this one here. So FXI9. Perfect. So approve. Click done. And now if I go to activity in Kraken, I should see the last transaction. Here we go. It's being deposited. It's pending, which means that it was successfully received. And it's just going to take a couple of seconds or minutes to clear. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them.